Hello once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Ronnie here. If you're new, please subscribe. If you've been here, thank you for always supporting me. Now today being a Tuesday, I decided to get back again to slashing. Look, this is what I'm going back to slashing today again. You see the difference between the other side and him. It's barely 2 days since the last video. Let me wipe the camera. Now you can see me well. So I think I'll start with that place first, and then tomorrow I need to, or even today, I need to cultivate these flowers. If I get time today, I need to cultivate these flowers because it's a rainy season, and during a rainy season you find the grass are growing really fast. You can see this is barely 2 days. You see the grass has grown back. I started slashing again. This work looks easy, but it's not easy. So I want to give a shout out to my fans from Kenya and also from the US. And from the US, I have to mention these two people. Ivit from US, and then the other one is Joanne from which country? I don't remember, but I'll check it and then I'll tell you before the end of the video. I saw a flag that these two support me very well. Thank you so much. It's good to have fans from outside Africa. And also, I also love the fans from Kenya, from Tanzania, if there are any, from the whole of Africa. Shout out to you. Thank you for always supporting me. Now, I have to slash all this place from there, that corner here, this one, this place, then cultivate the flowers if there's enough time. See you. Do you want to see I uploaded my video? Here. See this place here? Network is so good that a 4 GB file size video is only taking around 50 minutes. That's what we consider as fast internet. I don't know in your place, but this is, I'm using mobile phone data. Data. I buy data. I don't have Wi-Fi here. So let's do this. This is a slash. I'm uploading the video that you see. It's my phone. The upload will be ready today.
Let's begin.
So can I show you what I did have of it? See, there's difference here. This is where I stopped doing here. Please. It's a big difference from you see from this side. So we slash for obvious reasons. The chicken doing their job. So we do this for obvious reasons. What I mean is the compound looks smarter, and it will help prevent snakes and other animals from encroaching. You know, animals like snakes, they don't like a clean place. They just come when it's starting to overgrow this way. This, you see there. And I'm really waiting for these ones to get this place. It will make the compound smart and appealing to the eye. You know, aesthetic value is very important. Even so aesthetic value is very important. Even for example, when people quarrel, they stop when the visitors join to avoid what? Bad picture. So I think today, if I get time, I will select that because I did that place, you see, and the other side of the house. This is what I was using, you see. This is what I was placing my camera. This is table. So I also need to do this. This is a village road going this way, so I need to come and slash this to make it more elegant. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, the cow really waiting for the grass. So for being patient up to this far, thank you. And again, I must say thank you for always watching my premiere. Don't miss my premiere. Please support me. I be your boy, your son. So it's likely to rain today. It must rain. You can see all the skies are ready. The clouds are getting ready. They are gathering. Cumulonimbus, nimbus clouds, nimbus stratus, stratocumulus. The flat bottom one is, I don't know the name. For those who did geography and still remember, I did also geography, but now I don't remember now. I need to do something with these flowers. You see, the others are doing well, but these ones are still in the same place. You see, the cow does some injustice. So I have to spray with mud, not mud, the dung, the cow dung, its own dung. When it smells this, it never touches that. You see, I have to spray them. And that's the point. This is cow's food. This one. You see. So I have to give you the cow to show you. for the cow.